Oh Lord Jesus, you said you restore everything I lost. I've walked through seasons where hope felt so far away, days of broken dreams, nights I couldn't pray. Tears fell like rivers, and I wondered if you see. But you whispered softly, child, I haven't left thee. All the pain, all the years, all the heartache and tears, you're turning it around, your love's bringing me near. You restore, Lord, you restore everything I've lost. You give back more, heal the past, make my heart sing. You lift me up on eagle's wings. Yes, you restore, Lord, you restore broken pieces into something whole. Every sorrow, every regret, you make a way I won't forget. I see the ruins of yesterday, but your hands are turning them to praise. What the enemy tried to steal, you bring back in ways I can't conceal. You're faithful, Lord, your promises stay. Your mercy never fades away. All the pain, all the years, all the heartache and tears, you're turning it around, your love's bringing me near. You restore, Lord, you restore everything I've lost. You give back more, you heal the past, make my heart sing. You lift me up on eagle's wings. Yes, you restore, Lord, you restore broken pieces into something whole. Every sorrow, every regret, you make a way I won't forget. All my wasted time, all my silent cries, you're bringing back in colors bright. Joy for mourning, songs for pain, you turn the loss into gain. Even when I couldn't see, your hand was working secretly. And now I rise in your grace. Every shadow replaced by your grace. Restore, restore, oh Lord, restore. Yes, you do. All I lost, all I cried for, you give back and you give more. Restore, Lord, bring back the years, Lord, bring back my joy, Lord. very love.